Hi, welcome to day 2 of unboxing the Sallie Tomato Co box. I'm Caitlin, the Sallie Tomato social media director. Let's see what new galaxies we have in store today. Day 2. This out-of-the-world selection will have you shimmering with excitement to get started on your next project. Today includes 1/3 of each Lunar Shimmer Faux Leather, Magic Sky Cork, Opal Unicorn Leather, and Universe Shimmer Faux Leather. This stunning bundle of fabrics is curated to inspire your cosmic bag making adventures. From a variety of faux leather to cork, these fabrics are great for a variety of projects. We have a great free PDF download with our top tips for working with faux leather. Make sure to check it out. Here's a quick tip for you today. When choosing thread for your bag making project, specifically choosing between cotton and polyester thread, we recommend polyester. It is stronger and more durable than cotton thread for bag making. We can't wait to see how you use all of these fabrics in your next bag making project. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for future videos. We can't wait to see what you create with your galactic glamour supplies.